At some given point, it's going to start lowering. When, I'm not for sure. But I'm going to assume it's fairly soon. Might have to get an extension. I don't think I can reach it. It's coming. It's coming. At some given point, it's got to point to the tipping point where it keeps it tight as it's going down.
Run!
Now, see, this is getting lighter and lighter all the time to push on. So it means it's right there at the tipping point where the weight of it's going to take over.
Cooper! Get over here. Come here. Come here, Cooper. Cooper. Alright, get in the house.
It ain't going that
Get in the house.
Now, I need you pulling on that side.
Seriously?
Yeah.